As you can see here, guys, this starts with a 12-ton hand pump bottle jack, and on the ground there is the Vevor 32-ton hydraulic bottle jack, but it's pneumatic, it's air powered. So, big shout out to Ron's Alignment. They dropped this jack off, and I decided that I was going to turn it into a forge press. So, I start by cutting out some very thick steel plates that'll press up against each other. When the actual pressing needs to happen from the forge concept, I take an old hydraulic jack arm and I pulled the ring off of it so that I can replace the holster on top of the new bottle jack. Clear off the plates, get them ground out, replace the springs with the new bottle jack springs, new eyelet hooks, and I throw on the plate, weld on a couple of barriers, and throw a piece of railroad rail on there.